You were in restructuring from 99 to 2002. I was in
Yes.
restructuring from 2002 to 2004. You should have done it in reverse after the bubble burst.
Yeah, exactly.
A lot more business.
And in 2001, 2002, even if like unfortunately we got some business after September 11 and there was like a spike already, but
yeah,
it was depressing going into companies and firing people and shutting down facilities. And it just, I wanted, so as I was doing deals and I was working, I realized that there was this world of investment banking and private equity. And when I was dealing with these guys, I was like, that's where I want to be. I should be on the other side of the table. I shouldn't be where I sit. So doing some research, I said, okay, you know what? I'm a French guy. I may have a good diploma in France and a good pedigree, so to speak, but
you had a master's.
Here in the US,
yeah, you had a master's.
I had a bachelor and a master.
Already.
Master's in financial engineering. But I knew I was no one, if I didn't have some sort of like stamp of approval. So applied to business school, got into NYU Stern full time. So I left Deloitte, worked 2 years there. And my goal was to do
Did you have money saved up? How did you pay for that? Because I know Stern's not cheap.